Hello everyone, today to explain Yiyun software English version of the operation process. Firstly, we can quickly draw room. Doors and windows can be directly dragged onto the wall. We can also quickly draw the ceiling. Then, we enter the 3D scene. Here I can draw the cabinet body. We will drag and drop the required cabinet into the scene. Adjust the cabinet size properly. Then, we drag the board into the cabinet. Arrange the internal structure of the cabinet. Let's design the door panel again. Yiyun software designed for customized home projects. Mainly in two ways. One method is to drag and drop. Another way is by adjusting parameters. Let's quickly design the remaining cabinets. Let's design the drawer again. After designing the structure, let's adjust the colors in bulk. Then we will add decoration accessories. Finally, we will create a renderable rendering. One-click output quotation. One-click output of joins. One-click view of whole position. Save cloud order. One-click generation of material list. Layout optimization, exporting material opening files. Generate punching files with one click.